There we go. All right, so now we're sharing the Screaming Frog tool. So what you want to do before anything else is you want to start with the setup. There's a couple of configuration things that we want to do before we actually run the audit. So those are actually, I'm gonna have to share my entire screen. Okay, hold on. The reason I have to share my entire screen is so you can actually see what's going on. So I'll do that first. Okay, boom, entire screen. So on Screaming Frog, we have all of these items here at the very top. So first we're gonna go to configuration and then spider. When this opens up under the crawl era, we're going to scroll to the bottom, and under XML sitemaps, we're going to click crawl link XML sitemaps, and then make sure that your auto discover is turned on. So if you don't have sitemaps in your robots.txt file, this is going to be a problem. So let's double check that before we go any further. So opening up the website, on the home page, add a slash and then robots.txt, and this will populate. So here you can see, which that's probably hard to read. Let's see. Let's go to here. All right, I can shrink this up so you can see it a little better. There we go. So here you see that there's a sitemap in this robots file, and that's exactly what we want to happen. So on this sitemap, you should be able to now see everything. So we're going to go ahead and switch back to the entire screen there. Cool. Now that we know we have a sitemap listed in our robots.txt, we want to check those. Next, go to the extraction tab, scroll to the bottom, and under structured data, check all of these boxes. This is just to make sure that we get all possible variations of our structured data. Click OK when we're done. And now we can paste the URL into the bar at the top and click start. So what this is going to do is this is going to start on the home page, which is the URL we plugged in, and it's going to look for every link that is on that page. And then every link that's found on that page, it's going to try to go look at that page itself and find all of the other links that are on those pages. And the reason why we call it a crawler is because you start with the main page and then it crawls through the entire website and checks everything. So that's why this is a pretty amazing tool. You definitely need a crawler to be part of your strategy. So, now that we have the crawler done, there's one more thing we want to do. At the top here, you'll see crawl analysis. We're just going to click start, and then I'll go through and then do a crawl analysis. Now, Screaming Frog has a lot of added benefits. You can put in a Google Page Speed Insights API. You can do your Google Analytics. You can connect all these third-party tools into here to give you more insight. Now, we're not going to be doing that for the purposes of this course, but it's definitely a benefit to include those.